In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an easy bounce effect. To get started, I just added some texts I'd like to make bounce to my composition. Let's begin by selecting the text layer and the composition panel and pressing the P key on the keyboard. To view the position property, drag the position's Y value to move the text off screen. Then click on the stopwatch button next to position to create a starting keyframe. Move the time into where you want the animation to end. Then change the positions Y value to where you want the bounce animation to end at. Now that we have our animation in place, let's add the bounce effect. Hold down the Alt key and click on the stopwatch next to position. To view the expression editor, paste the expression that I put down in this video's description into the editor and press enter. Alright, and now we have a nice licking bounce effect. Keep in mind that while I'm having my animation start at the top and end in the middle, this effect will work from any starting and ending position. Okay, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.